I made the mistake of not checking my lock before closing the door. I did not do the installation and I closed the door. And it was a very terrible mistake because we have to open and try to open it and it didn't open. Then I tried to program, it didn't work. So I just have to break the lock. Here's the lock, it's broken.
Okay.
That was bad.
And
Let me get my
you have
batteries
to
back.
break it. It was quite expensive, but I have to break it to
Thank
get
you.
in. So try to program your lock before getting in. Try and program it. I mean, before closing the door.
Sí, abriendo una puerta que se bloqueó.
Because you will have to do this. This is just $100 down in the drain. And it's not fun. Not fun at all. So we're trying to open it. And open it. And open it. Yep. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Try and install installation first before closing the door. Don't be like me. Don't do it. Yep, that's it. Don't do it.